Twinkle, twinkle, little paw, running softly through the straw. Tiny whiskers shining bright, glowing gently in the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little paw, running softly through the straw. Birds are sleeping in their nest. Fox and rabbit take their rest. Owls are hooting, moon is high. Stars are sparkling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little paw, dreaming dreams of fields you saw. Morning comes and sun will rise. Butterflies will paint the skies. Little paws will jump and play, chasing light of a brand new day. Twinkle, twinkle, little paw, happy heart and time.